Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your page on the Facebook app for PC, following the latest update. It's a simple process that helps your followers reach you more easily and can increase trust in your page. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account where you manage your page. Once inside, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, choose the page you want to update. Once your page loads, head over to the About section. The About tab is where you can manage and update all your important page details, so it's the perfect place to add your phone number. Inside the About section, scroll down until you find the Contact and Basic Info area. This is where you can add or edit your contact information like phone numbers and email addresses. Click on Add Phone Number to proceed. Now, a new field will appear for you to type in your phone number. Enter your number carefully, double-check those digits to avoid any mistakes. Once you've added your phone number, all you have to do next is click Save to finalize the changes. That's it. Your phone number is now linked to your Facebook page, making it easier for visitors to contact you directly. Remember, keeping your contact info up to date helps build credibility and allows your audience to connect with your business or personal brand without any hassle. If you ever need to update or remove your phone number, just follow the same steps and you can easily make any changes. Adding a phone number on Facebook is one of the quickest ways to enhance your page's accessibility, especially after this new update. Thanks for watching.